Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disneyland at night, and it's time to have some fun. Let's roll that intro. We're starting here with my very dramatic lighting, but I'm back over by the Royal Theater, and it's super cool. It's just a beautiful night here, and I want to just do some of my favorite things. See what we can get into here. It's gonna be so much fun. First up tonight, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, because it's the best. Wait for it. At night, here they come. That's gonna be me. Yes. Oh, I love it. I love you, Big Thunder. Oh, I love those rainbow caverns. Oh, even prettier at night, even though technically they're always kind of at night in a way. Oh, here we go. Big Thunder at night. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Oh, wow. Boy, you can still see because of the light diffusing with the clouds. Oh my goodness. Woo! Good evening, possums. Woo! Yeah. Oh yes, second lift till everybody. Goat trick. Here it comes. It's so pretty at night. Oh my gosh. Where's that goat? I see you, goat. I see you, goat. I'm looking at you, goat. I'm looking at you, goat. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, I love it. Man, it's so much fun. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Feeling good. Man, Big Thunder, this is not a 40-minute wait. Maybe 15, I don't know. Hey, fireworks are going off in here, that's pretty nice. Another lovely ride there on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I love Big Thunder so much, and truly, honestly, it's one of the best attractions to me in the whole park. I'm gonna have to make a list someday. Yeah, I really am. I love it. I love you, Big Thunder. I love it. It's right there, I love you. Walking right by here, Pirates of the Caribbean. It says 10 minutes. This is not 10 minutes. This is like 10 seconds. This is the walk up to it. Going right. It's the way to go. Pirates forever. Walking in, Barbosa side. Ooh, that bromine smells fresh. Oh, it's so fresh. I love it so much. Is this the third time I've ridden this today? I think so. I think it's the third. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the third, at least the third. Yeah, I love you. I love you, Pirates. You're amazing. So to give you guys a little bit of perspective, this is just like darkness here. I'm gonna try to brighten it up just a smidge so you can actually see what's in here, because it's mostly brickwork and whatnot, but it's really chill, and I love it so much. Oh. Just so comfy, cozy in the darkness. I was just so excited going down the drops. I was just like, I'm in the front row, and I'm never in the front row, and I'm just drinking it up. It's so good. We are gaining on the boat in front of us, though. We're gonna ram them at some point here. It's just a matter of time. I will keep you posted. Also, shout out to the rock work in here. Look at this thing. I pointed this out maybe once before, but look at this rock outcropping. Oh, it's so cool. Like, no one's ever looking up. Look up and enjoy it. It's beautiful. Currently caught up to the boat ahead of us. Also, there's my buddy Red. Saw her in the park today. We did a few jobs back in the day together. Can't really talk about it, but yeah, all the pirates have their hats on again, which is great. And as we ram into the boat again up ahead, notice that all of our pirates are running in circles, even the chickens up there too. So this room is looking so much better. Even the pirate on the stairs here is trying to get a little grog or rum. He's even moving his arms and stuff. It's great. It's so nice to see. Dirtyfoot has returned, and also the pigs are moving and stuff, which is great. Again, it seems like there's been a lot of upgrades or kind of fixes to some of the stuff here at Pirates. And just, I love to see that. It's great. It really is. Hands up at home. It's the last drop. Here you go. Put them up. Woo! Whoa ho ho ho! Oh my goodness. Fireworks seem to be done. Still, Pirates is a walk-on because the efficiency is unmatched. Look at this. It's just water ahead of us. Isn't that beautiful? Water and eager privateers. Yes. Did bump into our boat ahead of us a few times, but they've gained quite some speed and distance from us now. It's too bad, but we did it. We did hit them. A couple of rams. It's pretty good. Look at all that brominated water. Just want to ladle it out, you know? Put a little behind my ears. Also, do not ladle it out and put it behind your ears. I just have to put that on there because if I don't say that, people are going to start doing it. Please don't do it. Another great ride there on Pirates of the Caribbean. Sitting in the front row. Definitely a different view. Love it. But now heading over to Fantasyland, gonna do a little Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Look at this cozy light. Oh, it's so great over here by Mr. Toad's. It's like 10 minutes. It's not even gonna be that long, I don't think. Oh, and look, doors open. That's so cool. Look at that. You can see inside a little sneak peek. Hanging out here with my buddy, Jay Thaddeus. I wonder what J stands for. Is it James? I hope so. Look at him. He's all like, I love him, man. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up, buddy? Woo! Hard left. Hard left. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. Look at that thing swinging overhead. Oh no. What a weird ride. I love it so much. It's so good. Oh, look at that. Forced perspective. Oh, here we are. I always have to show the water feature. Look at that. It's so good. Here we go. Iconic ending. The most iconic ending maybe in any attraction, I think. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, the heat. The musty smell. Oh, so good. Hi, boys. Howdy, boys. Yeah, you guys are looking so good. Looking fetch. Now it's time for everybody's favorite, Pinocchio's Daring Journey. But also, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride was like, I don't know, maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes? I don't know. Not that bad at all. And it's so good. I love Mr. Toad's. It's just, I love it. There's Toad Hall. I love it. I was just looking over here from Pinocchio's Daring Journey, the queue line, and I was like, oh, look at that. Look at the Matterhorn. She's looking fine. Look at her. Oh my gosh, might be shut down, but it doesn't even matter. Always looking so good, Matterhorn. Look at that. Let's do it. Matterhorn. Ooh. Oh, Matterhorn, yes. Oh, here we go. Pleasure Island, baby. I diddly-dee, an actor's life for me, the candy carousel. My goodness. Yeah, the more you ride this, the more you realize that sadness is around every corner here, thinly veiled. Howdy, boys. Dude, put a little bit more muscle into it, man. That barely even moved. Here we go. I love this. Look at him. That's a big boy right there. Oh, Geppetto? Sorry, Petto. He'll be fine. Almost there. Thanks, Jiminy. Okay. I give this ride a hard time, but I actually do like it. I really do. Especially this portion at the end. Blue Fairy is pretty great. And here she is. Hi, Blue Fairy. Still a wooden boy, but whatever. Smash cut. We're hanging out at the Mad Tea Party. Why? Because it was a short wait, and at night it's the best. Here we go. And so it begins. Oh my gosh. Again, low-key, intense attraction. Yeah. But the best part about all of it is that you can look up at the beautiful Matterhorn. It's gone. Oh my gosh, we are spinning so fast now. Whoopsie woo. Wow, we're cooking, we're spinning. Keep your hands and arms inside the teacup at all times. Ah! Wow, it feels like I'm at like a Disney rave. Can we put some music on there? Like, oh, there we go. It's like, where's the lights? Stop right now. Okay, now I'm over here in Tomorrowland. It's like, Jimmy, why are you in Tomorrowland? Well, because at the time of this recording, something has happened to Space Mountain. And honestly, for me, kind of a bit of a glow up. Yeah, that's right. It's kind of hard to read it, but it's Hyperspace Mountain. It's so good. It's my favorite version of Space Mountain here. It actually makes it really fun for me. Yeah, I love it. I love Hyperspace Mountain. I really do. But because Hyperspace Mountain is full of copywritten music, we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try to show you as much of the ride as I possibly can, but just keep in mind that might have to change things around a little bit. It might sound a little bit different. You probably won't even notice it. But let's go. They even have the Star Wars music playing over here in this portion of the queue line, which we have to go through some switchbacks. It says 65 minutes right now is the wait. I don't know if I buy that, but we'll see. It seemed like a ton of lightning laners here at the end of the night. Who knows? I don't know. We'll find out together. We're going in, but by going in, we still have to go to the merge point by the lightning lane. Admiral Akbar! Yes, thank you, Admiral. We are getting close. And also, I love this red lighting. Very sick. I have no idea if the Creeper is going to be there. I don't think so. Honestly, the Creeper gets a little freaked out when they do Hyperspace because Palpatine is a little too much like him. Palpatine is very, very scary. So, maybe I'll see the Creeper for a bit, but he's out there somewhere. Never forget, it doesn't matter if it's Hyperspace Mountain. Give a little bit of love. Yeah, baby. Here we go. We're in the dark. Okay, let's jump. Whoa. Oh no. I'm in the back and it's intense. It took a while. The ride stopped for a little bit, but don't worry, we're on it now. It's very late, but that's okay, because we're gonna go fight the Empire. Oh. All right, here we go, everybody. Hyperspace Mountain. Mostly dark and screaming, but here we go. Woo! The back's kicking. It's so good already. Oh my gosh. I love it when it's Hyperspace Mountain. Can anybody see any of this stuff? Oh my goodness. Intense. Oh, that was a close one. Yes. Oh my gosh. When the music's different, I don't know when the drops and stuff are coming. Oh my gosh. Woo! It's amazing. Smash cut. That was amazing on Hyperspace Mountain. But over here, they've got some cool Star Wars mugs at Starbucks. Isn't this crazy? Look at these things. I kind of want to pick one of these up. This is so neat. Ah, I love Mustafar. Everyone, that's going to do it for me here at Disneyland this evening. What a fun time. I loved it so much. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the likes and the comments. All that stuff means a heck of a lot to me. And also a huge, huge thank you to the patrons. Thank you, patrons. You mean the world to me. Your support means so much. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.
Feels like I'm at like a Disney rave. Can we put some music on there? Like, there we go.